Is this what you look like? Some little noob who's barely struggling to get by? You have one chef and you can't even buy a server yet? You have none of the upgrades. You don't even have the tip jar yet. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to create the best farm and restaurant tycoon. Now, the first strategy is the tip jar, as you can see right here. Just build this up to 1,000 by just sitting there and doing nothing, and you will get a lot of money. I have 41,000 stored up right now in case I lose everything and I need some more money. But the tip jar is just a really good way to save up. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not really the best method, but I think it's pretty effective if you're mid-game. But here is undoubtedly the best strat in the entire game. Now, I recommend you have build collisions on, but if you don't, you can still do this pretty easily. Now, get the standard table and put it right here. Now, on this, I have it turned off so I can't collide objects like that. But by doing this, by moving it in such way, placing your chairs like this allows you to create a table for 12. Now, this pretty much gives you a lot of money per order. And if there's an entire full table of 12, then you get at least 12 times what you would get for one person. Insanely good method. And if you buy the collisions, just take a chair, go like this, and you can just spam it in position like this. Spam it all over. As you can see, table for 30 has been created. This can fit 30 whole people, which is 30 times the original value. So let's say everyone just ate a banana shake for $9. That would be $279 just from one table. Paired with all your other food will give you a lot of money. Undoubtedly one of the greatest strats in the game, which is why I'm going to destroy it. Now, this one is probably the second best strat, as it's pretty much one of the best passives. Now, let me ask you something. Does your menu look like this? 28,000 starters, a million mains, just a bunch of desserts. Now, people are always cheapskates, and they're gonna go for the small, cheap items, such as the Momo for $8, fried rice for $8, and the $8 pancakes for dessert. And maybe even the shake, that's even $1 less than the better one. You're probably even gonna go for some water. Now, if you have this, destroy all of the other items other than the most expensive. Now, on PC, all you have to do is press shift or control and then just spam click. For mobile, you have to manually remove them by going here and then just clicking take off menu. But by just removing everything, it forces the customers to buy the most expensive, giving you the most money. Now, 21, 27, 14, and $9 all combined. And with the other strat of 30 people, that's just a lot of money. Definitely, probably, most likely over 1,000. Now, starters, rainbow sushi and smoked salmon are probably the best, especially when boosted like this. I don't actually have the best cuisine for mains. The lobster is probably the best main you can get. And the truffle is the best dessert you can get. I have this ice cream thing, and then the banana shake is pretty much the best thing you can get. Customers will flood in, go to the 30 people seats, and they'll give you a lot of money. This is the strat I use. Just AFK for an hour or two and you'll already have at least $10,000. Then you could buy all the upgrades and you're done. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and just more gameplay videos on the updates, since there's a new Halloween event that I've not done anything in, and like and subscribe for more.